When spring arrives, so do the bugs. Check out a few tips to prevent pests from bugging you this spring. 1. Seal entry points. Don't let bugs sneak into your home. Seal cracks and gaps, check your roof for holes, repair or replace damaged door and window screens. 2. Clean your yard. Remove yard debris like leaves, tree branches, and rotting wood. Keep your lawn and plants trimmed. 3. Remove food sources. Clean up crumbs and spills. Remove trash and make sure bins have tight-fitting lids. Store your pantry items in containers. Pick up your pet's food bowl when they're finished eating. 4. Minimize moisture. Check your yard for standing water. Keep your gutters clean and repair leaky pipes. Make sure you don't overwater your plants. 5. Keep your home clean. Reduce clutter in your home to minimize potential hiding spots. Vacuum, sweep, and mop regularly. Wipe down your counters and cabinets. 6. Create a protective barrier. Spray the perimeter of your yard with a plant-based insecticide spray. Our yard bug spray kills pests on contact and has residual properties. This residual repellency will help to keep bugs out. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website at maggiesfarmproducts.com.